don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Stellenbosch 2. I'm joined by Uba King.
As far as people,
Yeah.
First of all, it was very hard for me to come in here.
Yes.
But I want to say this: Kaizer Chiefs is too big to be coached by an interpreter. Man.
Yes.
Come on. Coaching Kaizer Chiefs is like coaching Bafana.
Yes.
So we cannot be coached by interpreter and analyst. That man is Khalil, analyst.
Yes.
It's not a proper coach.
Yes.
So Kaizer Chiefs is a proper coach for us to be able to win the derby.
Yeah.
We have a big game on Saturday.
Yes.
We have a big game. We can't be changing starting lineup week in, week out.
Why?
No. So mina ngiyacela mfethu ukuthi on Saturday these two coaches must be fired, man. Before it died.
Makosi ngicela ukubuza.
Sure.
Singawini iderby ngabo 3.